Welcome to Breaking Wire. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. The electric car industry is always chasing improvement. Engineers and scientists push EVs to go farther, cost less, and be easier to build. The goal? Replace gasoline cars for good. Like cell phones, electric cars are transforming fast. Each breakthrough, better batteries, faster charging, efficient motors, fuels a revolution. What if we could build a motor without heavy metal coils? It's about making electric cars truly sustainable and accessible. The search for a coil-free motor could change everything. The race is on to make that idea a reality. To see why a new motor matters, let's look at how today's motors work. Most electric motors, from toys to Teslas, use magnets and metal coils to create spinning motion. The stator holds tightly wound copper coils. The rotor spins inside, pushed by magnetic fields. Electricity flows through the coils, turning them into electromagnets that drive the rotor. The more copper and current, the stronger the force. This design has powered machines for decades, but it's built on heavy, expensive copper wire. The motor's computer rapidly switches electricity between coils, creating smooth rotation. It's an elegant system, but it comes with big drawbacks: cost, weight, and environmental impact. The reliance on metal coils is both the motor's strength and its greatest weakness. As demand for EVs grows, these challenges become harder to ignore. Engineers are now rethinking the motor from the ground up. The question, can we create the same spinning force without all that copper? That's where the next breakthrough begins. Traditional motors are powerful, but their metal coils create major problems. First, weight copper is heavy, and motors can contain several kilograms of it. This extra weight drains battery life and limits driving range. Car makers try to cut weight elsewhere, but the motor remains a stubborn obstacle. Second, copper prices are volatile, making EVs expensive to build and buy. If copper costs spike, so does the price of every electric car. Third, the environment. Mining and refining copper damages ecosystems and uses huge amounts of energy. As EV production rises, so does the demand for copper, increasing environmental pressure. A truly green car shouldn't depend on materials that harm the planet. Finally, heat. Electricity flowing through copper coils generates waste heat. This heat doesn't help the car move, it's just lost energy. Motors need complex cooling systems to prevent overheating, adding more weight and cost. All these issues, weight, cost, environmental impact, and heat, stem from the reliance on metal coils. Solving them could make EVs lighter, cheaper, and greener. That's why engineers are searching for a new way forward. The answer may lie in a motor that leaves metal coils behind. A breakthrough here could transform the entire industry. The future of electric cars depends on it. Imagine a motor without heavy wound copper coils. Enter the coil-free motor, built around printed circuit boards, PCBs, like those in your phone or computer. Instead of thick wire bundles, these motors use flat, precisely printed copper patterns. Electricity flows through these patterns, creating magnetic fields just like traditional coils, but with far less material. The motor's computer can control these fields with pinpoint accuracy, delivering smooth, powerful motion. It's like upgrading from a single light bulb to a high-definition TV. More control, more efficiency. PCB motors are lighter, smaller, and easier to manufacture. Machines can print PCBs quickly and cheaply, eliminating the need for labor-intensive coil winding. Companies are already building and testing these motors, proving they can match or exceed traditional designs. The result? A motor that's just as strong but far more efficient and sustainable. This is the next step in electric motor evolution. The benefits of coil-free motors are game-changing. First, weight. PCB motors can be up to 80% lighter than traditional ones. Lighter motors mean lighter cars, longer range, and better efficiency. Second, cost. Automated PCB manufacturing slashes production time and labor. Less copper means lower material costs and less exposure to price swings. These savings can make EVs more affordable for everyone. Third, the environment. Using less copper and fewer rare earth materials reduces mining and pollution. PCB motors waste less energy as heat, so cars need less cooling and use less electricity. Fewer parts mean simpler, more reliable motors that are easier to maintain. The result? Lighter, cheaper, greener, and more reliable electric vehicles. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we power our cars. The future of EVs is being printed, not wound. Coil-free motors could transform every type of electric vehicle. Family EVs like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 or VW ID. 4 could shed weight, boosting range or allowing for smaller, cheaper batteries. City cars could become truly affordable, opening up EV ownership to more people than ever. Imagine a sub-$20,000 electric car. This technology could make it possible. High-performance cars like the Porsche Taycan or Tesla Model S Plaid could get even faster and more agile, thanks to lighter, cooler-running motors. Designers could place compact motors on each wheel, unlocking new levels of control and performance. The impact goes beyond cars. Electric bikes, scooters, motorcycles, even airplanes and drones could all benefit. Lighter, more efficient motors mean longer range and better performance for everything that moves. This innovation could accelerate the electrification of transportation everywhere. The ripple effect, cleaner cities, quieter streets, and more accessible mobility for all. The coil-free motor isn't just for cars, it's for the future of movement. The possibilities are as wide as the open road. The revolution is just beginning. The story of electric vehicles is one of relentless innovation. The coil-free motor marks a turning point, a fundamental rethink of a century-old technology. By ditching heavy, costly coils, engineers are unlocking lighter, cheaper, and greener cars. This isn't just a small step, it's a leap toward mass EV adoption. As more companies perfect PCB motors, they'll move from high-end models to everyday cars. Soon, coil-free motors could become the new standard, accelerating the shift away from gasoline. The quiet hum of these motors may soon be the soundtrack of progress. This breakthrough is more than clever engineering, it's a symbol of human ingenuity. Reinventing the motor shows that even the oldest technologies can be transformed. By challenging the status quo, we create solutions that benefit our wallets and our planet. The road ahead is paved with innovation. The destination, clean, efficient, and affordable electric transportation for everyone. The future of driving starts now.